Welcome to a short introduction for the assistant system of SyncMeta. The assistant system is an extension for the SyncMeta meta modeling framework. It helps modelers during their modeling endeavors by giving them suggestions on what to do next in the modeling process. It provides suggestions in the single user environment as well as a collaborative modeling environment. Let's first have a look how the assistant is integrated into the modeling editor and how it is presented to the user. In this example, a modeling editor for the I* modeling language is used. To get guidance during the modeling process, the user first has a look at the guidance widget to see for which modeling tasks guidance is provided. The guidance is automatically provided once the user starts modeling. The guidance widget shows which element needs to be created in order to get guidance for a specific modeling task. Once the user has created a new element, the modeling guidance is directly shown in the canvas under the created element. In this case, the user gets a suggestion to set the name property of the previously created node. A click on the button opens an input field to easily set the property. The next suggestion tells the user to create a new goal node. A click on the button directly selects the tool to create the suggested node. With another click into the canvas, the node can be directly added to the diagram. The guidance was specifically designed to fulfill two purposes: give the user a hint on what to do next and help him to easily perform the task. Notice how the user can fully focus on modeling in the canvas, as he does not need to select tools from the palette, as long as he follows the guidance. Now the guidance system suggests to create a new edge between two nodes. A preview of the suggested edge is shown between the two nodes in a half-transparent state. A click on the button directly creates the edge. In addition to helping a single user, the assistant also offers features to support modelers in the collaborative modeling environment. First, it extends the awareness functionality of SyncMeta. Here you can see the editor window of Bob, who is working collaboratively on a model with Alice. The colored areas behind the nodes indicate that the elements were previously modified by Alice. The color corresponds to the assigned user color of Alice, as shown in the user activity widget on the left. These colored areas fade away over time, indicating that Alice stopped working on the nodes. The assistant also adds a collaboration overview widget located under the canvas. It shows an overview of all nodes in the canvas and colors the preview nodes based on recent user modifications. The system also provides guidance which helps modelers to collaborate. Here Bob gets guidance to help Alice with her modeling task. Once Bob clicks on the button, his canvas scrolls to Alice's working area and the system shows Bob guidance which helps to complete Alice's modeling task. Behind the scenes, the system makes use of a guidance model to determine modeling guidance. In SyncMeta, meta modelers define modeling languages in terms of meta models. This meta model is then used to generate an editor instance for the defined language. The assistant system extends the meta modeling editor of SyncMeta by a guidance model editor, which can be used by the meta modelers to define modeling guidance for the language. The defined guidance is then used in the generated modeling editors to provide guidance to modelers. Here's the guidance model editor, where the guidance for the previously shown I* modeling language is defined. As you can see on the left side, meta modelers can switch between the meta model editor to create the meta model and the guidance model editor to create the guidance model. Guidance is defined in terms of UML activity diagrams. Each activity corresponds to guidance for one modeling task. Metamodelers define an activity by linking together atomic modeling actions, like creating a node, creating an edge, or setting a property. Call activity nodes allow for composition of activities, decision and merge nodes allow for branching, and fork and join nodes allow for the definition of concurrent actions. These nodes are directly related to the corresponding nodes known from UML activity diagrams. That's it for the introduction of the assistant system for SyncMeta. Thank you for watching.